Shut it off. Start it up. Give it gas. Put it in reverse. Put it in drive. Put it in neutral. Give it a little gas, a little. All right.